Welcome to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. After Monday's storms, residents ordered back home as repairs accelerate.
In Versa, residents are finally returning home after last Monday's storms. We were there today, volunteers working in heartbreaking conditions as families face the damage. Power is slowly coming back, and officials hope Brazzano will follow soon.
Well, there is a lot of damage. We are now here helping some families, some friends that have lost basically everything. But there's a lot of help from the Protezione Civile, from the firefighters, so we hope everything will go for the better.
Beh, devo dire che c'è stata una reazione importante. Adesso affrontiamo il ritorno nelle case che oggi sta avvenendo a Versa. Il sindaco mi dicono abbia firmato l'ordinanza, nei prossimi giorni dovrebbe essere riattivata tutta la parte elettrica, nei prossimi giorni anche la parte del riscaldamento. Sabato credo circa dovrebbe essere previsto rientro per quanto riguarda Cormons. È chiaro che oggi il grande lavoro da fare è quello di andare a fare la ricognizione dei danni e supportare imprese e cittadini di quell'area, e la Regione a questo non si sottrarrà. Già nella prossima legge bilancio, come ho avuto modo di dichiarare, ci saranno ingenti risorse.
A weekend of severe weather across Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Winter has arrived in Friuli Venezia Giulia with frosty mornings and freezing temperatures that marked the weekend. But from Monday, November 24th, 9 a.m., a yellow weather alert is in effect with clouds, rain and snow up to 1,000 meters.
Trieste transforms its industrial past to a new gateway to the future.
Trieste accelerates the Ferriera's rebirth as historic steel plant debris, including the old Nazone mound, is now being reused to build the base of the new Molo Ottavo, driving sustainable regeneration in the region.
Grande lavoro di squadre, istituzioni e privato per far sì che quest'area, che ormai a tempo di record è stata riconvertita ad industria impattante, l'ecomossa della Ferriera, in una piattaforma logistica. C'era il problema di questo cosiddetto nasone, no? Quindi centinaia di migliaia di metri cubi di materiali ferrosi, di tutti i rifiuti possibili delle scorie della Ferriera, che siamo riusciti dal Ministero, oggi non era facile, di non farlo sembrare un rifiuto qual era, ma una risorsa per mettere alla base di questa piattaforma logistica, che ospiterà una stazione ferroviaria per avere dei treni lunghi 750 metri per far lavorare il porto. Quindi in poco tempo, considerati i tempi, riusciremo a far sì che questo porto abbia una risorsa in più logistica per portare le nostre merci nel mondo.
Here in the ex-steel mill, we demolished a steel mill and we're now covering the area with an environmental protection to allow for an area that was historically polluted to become a new area for logistics and port operations. Today we cleared out an important part of this pollution to allow for this conversion, environmental conversion to happen. The thing is called the Nazona. It's the big nose, and it was an historical heap of waste. And now it's gone. It's integrated into the project and gives new life to this area for more environmental friendly future.
Gorizia lights the way to the future of digital art.
Gorizia is stepping into the future with a spectacular digital art tunnel, opening next month with a new immersive work by world-renowned artist Rafik Anadol.
Oggi abbiamo la più grande e la più importante infrastruttura europea per l'arte digitale. La faremo crescere.
Penso il numero uno in questo momento a livello internazionale. Ricordiamo The Sphere a Las Vegas, che penso un luogo conosciuto in tutto il globo, con un effetto anche enorme per quanto riguarda appunto la valenza artistica. Stesso artista che oggi, anzi in queste settimane, troveremo a Gorizia in Galleria Bombi.
Gorizia sarà la sede della prima galleria multimedia, non multimedia, proprio digitale in Europa. Questo significa che per i prossimi anni, a cominciare dal più grande artista in questo settore del LED wall in Europa, nel mondo anzi, noi riusciremo perciò ad attrarre centinaia di migliaia di persone che adorano proprio questo segmento della cultura.
This is a very exciting one because it's an amazingly different version of our work that we never able to create before.
Friuli Venezia Giulia rankings revealed progress, setbacks, and surprises.
Friuli Venezia Giulia's 4 provinces remain in positive territory in Italy's latest quality of life rankings, though all slipped compared with last year. Trieste drops to 19th place, while Gorizia sees the biggest fall, landing at 52nd. Despite ranking near the bottom for security, Trieste performs strongly in tourism, culture, income, and healthcare, rising sharply in 7 key indicators.
Italy's clock debate heats up, and Trieste weighs in. Are we ready for daylight all year long?
More than 350,000 people have signed a petition to make the daylight saving time permanent. Your opinion about not changing clocks anymore?
I think that I don't have really an opinion about it because I see that for some people it can be very, very useful to change the clock because you can adapt on the light and go to work with the light and not with the dark. But at the same time, I see that it can be healthier for your rhythm to maintain the same clock. So I don't know.
For me, it's a normal thing to change the clock, so it's not a problem actually, because I think it's useful when we have the change of the light time on the change of the season, like in autumn or in winter or summer.
It's different for me because it's dark when I go to the office for work, and it's dark also when I back home. So
it would be, in my opinion, a good thing because it's first thing. It's in winter the sun goes down pretty quickly, and it's easier not to change the time, the clock, I guess. Yeah.
Another bustling weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia. How was for you this weekend in Friuli Venezia Giulia?
This weekend was a great weekend. I spent it as usual in Via Torino. That's a street in which there are a lot of bars and stuff, and you can be with your friends and have cocktails and stuff.
No, this is my 3rd time in Trieste. Yeah.
And how was your weekend?
It's been great so far. I've been living in Padova, and I've just come here for the weekend to catch up with some people I know here, and it's been really lovely, and today's been beautiful with the sun. I'm from Australia, from Melbourne originally.
Well, when you get a sunny day like this in Friuli Venezia Giulia, it's hard to beat. So I've hooked up with my best friend from Austria, and we came into town. We went to Cafe San Marco for lunch, which was divine, and we've just gotten together with family and friends.
Weather, it's the karst, it's autumn, the autumn time, the sun, the sea, so the people, it's really a lot.
We're from Slovenia, from Ljubljana. We came just for one day, so today we came from Ljubljana to Trieste because it's nice sunny weather, and we just wanted to have a relaxing day by the sea.
We try out new restaurants and the wine bars.
We had a cup of coffee and lunch. Also, the weather is really good, so just relaxing, chatting, having fun.
Ora sono uscita a fare una bella passeggiata. Croatia. I mean, it's starting the Black Friday week, so we bought something because there are great discounts. Then we went for a walk by the sea. We went for some sightseeings. We had a nice hot chocolate by the sea as well. Drank coffee, and just did the typical stuff what you can do in Trieste.
Thank you for watching in Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.